Hey Michelle, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Jackie, who thought you should be the one to see this video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away that's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. I do apologize for any background noise. It is still really hot here and my AC is kicking on and off. So I do apologize for that. Um, so it is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is going to be really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture those leads. So we are on your website here, and it looks like you have a separate page for every one of your services, which is perfect. That's exactly what you want. Okay. Got a little bit of content. Okay. All right. So I do see a little bit of content, but not nearly enough. I'm also seeing location pages. Um, Location pages are very important. They're going to help you to be found organically for your services, but they each need to have their own unique content and keywords. And it looks like these pages are missing the point of having them. So each of these service area pages should be like mini home pages, which should be a summary of all of these services for each location with their own original content and their own keywords. So Google does not rank a website based on appearance. It is based on content. Content is key. And so it's very important that you do have the proper amount of content. Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage or more, depending on your competition. So if your competitors have more, you're going to need more than they have. But all this content needs to be built around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for on Google in your community for your services. So rather than water damage, it would be water damage Sandy, or something similar. So you do need to focus on those local buyer intent keywords, and I'm not really seeing any on these pages. I am seeing national keywords, which would be okay if you were providing services nationwide. But if you're not, then what's going to happen is you're going to get minimal traffic locally on these keywords, and most of the traffic is going to be coming from all over the country, and they're going to leave your website and they're not going to convert to customers because you can't help them. So it's going to be really important that you refocus your content on those local buyer intent keywords so you can convert them into customers. Google has little robots called crawlers that index all of your pages looking for original content and keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. Now, one of your top competitors in your service area is AAA Restoration. Now, they don't have a fabulous website, but they do have separate pages for each service. They are focused on local buyer intent keywords, and they do have more content, not just on their homepage, but throughout their website than you guys do. So you definitely need more content to be able to beat these guys. But they, just like you guys, they're missing out on those service area pages. Although you have them, they don't have the content to actually help you. And these guys don't have them at all. So these guys should be easy to beat if you work on the content and keyword strategy and then support that with SEO, because the website by itself is not enough to be found online. So if we look here, Sorry, I had the wrong page up. So if we look here at your scores, you have a domain rating of a 14 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. This score is 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. Um, Now, Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything else they look at as spam, and not all of these are created equal, so you do need to make sure that you're getting do follow links and that you're getting authoritative ones, which means that they're directly related to your business. Not all links work for all businesses, and some could actually hurt you. So if we look here, you only have 52 do follow, so that means only 52 of these backlinks are providing you any sort of help. You have been indexed for over 700 keywords and are getting over 300 people on average to your website per month. But when we look, the keywords that you're ranking for are due to your blogs and national keywords. And so, like I mentioned before, even though you're getting a good amount of traffic, this isn't relevant traffic that's actually going to convert into customers. Blogging can be really important when done properly, but the keywords that you need to be on the first page are going to be those buyer intent keywords that are going to be converting into customers. Um, so, although you have decent traffic, it's not converting traffic. So, you're still missing out on quite a bit of volume. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 25 with over 2,000 backlinks and 300 referring domains. But only 115 of those are do follows. So you need to beat those 115 referring domains, both in quantity and quality. And they need to be tied to those keywords so you can be ranking them. These guys have been indexed for over 1,000 different keywords, and they're getting about 346 people to their website per month. But the difference between these guys and you is that these are for the local buyer intent keywords that they're getting this volume from. So you do need to work on optimizing your website so you can start capturing that traffic as well. And then the last piece is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because nearly 30% of all people search on the maps and won't search anywhere else. And so if you're not listed in this top 3 in each of those areas, you're sending all those leads to your competition. Now, there are several factors in ranking in the top 3, but the most important are citations, which is going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, and LinkedIn. So you're going to need a lot more than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your keywords for your services and service areas supported by your SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you can apply these tips and start capturing those true organic leads. I would really love it if you could give me some feedback on what you thought of this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.